Alright, State College WX here, and today is Monday, July 26th, 2021 at 9:30 a.m. And we have another county request here from Weather Pro EAS, and he wants me to do Hartford County, Connecticut, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Connecticut, and we have Hartford County. I thought we did have a Hartford County, so there you go, there's Hartford County, Connecticut. Now we move on to the WR400. And I dropped something. But luckily the 400's okay. But anyway, I'll fix that later. That was not supposed to happen. I don't know what the heck happened there. All I was doing was just pulling the WR400 out. Always do the 25th County for the heck of it. And there's Connecticut, and there's Hartford County. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this county request from Weather Pro EAS. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and that accident was not supposed to happen, but somehow it did. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.